Hi, my name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add access to your Facebook page. Whether you're managing a business, group, or any community page, giving others the right permissions is simple and essential. Let's jump into it. First, log into your personal account linked to the Facebook page where you want to assign other users as admins or roles to help manage it. Note: Facebook does not allow you to create a business page without logging into a personal account. Every Facebook business page must be associated with a personal account for administrative purposes. However, the personal account linked to the page doesn't need to be publicly connected to it, and you can assign other users as admins or roles to help manage the page. If you don't want to link your personal profile directly, you can create a separate personal account dedicated to managing business pages as long as it complies with Facebook's policies. Next, go to your Facebook page. There are two ways to do this. Using the profile dropdown, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select the drop-down arrow. From there, you'll see a list of pages you manage. Just click the one you want, and you'll go straight to the page. Using the sidebar, if the drop-down option isn't available or hasn't updated, no problem. On the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find Pages. Click it, and a list of pages you manage will appear. Select the page you want to update, and you'll be routed there. Once you're inside your Facebook page, follow these steps. Go to Settings. On the left-hand menu, click Settings and scroll down to find Page Setup. Navigate to Page Access. In the Page Setup section, you'll see options like Page Name, Page Access, Page Management History, and more. Click on Page Access. Here, you'll see two access options. 1. People with Facebook access. These users can switch directly into the page Manage Everything, including giving others access, removing people, even you, or deleting the page. Create, edit, and delete posts, stories, and other content. Send and respond to messages or calls as the page. Moderate community activity, including reviewing and removing comments. Create, manage, and delete ads. Access insights to track page, content, and ad performance. 2. People with task access. These users cannot switch directly into the page on Facebook, but can manage specific tasks using tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. What they can do: moderate chat comments, suspend or remove people who violate community standards, view all admins of the page. Choose the access level based on what responsibilities you want to assign. In my case, I want to add a new admin to my Facebook page to help me manage it. Under People with Facebook Access, click Add New, then Next. Type the person's name you want to add. Decide whether to give full control by ticking the box or leaving it unticked. Then click Give Access. Re-enter your Facebook password to confirm and click Confirm. The person will get an invite on their Facebook account, which expires in 28 days. They just need to click the notification, go to the page, and select Review Invite. Then click Next, Accept, and follow the steps. Once done, they can switch to the page as an admin. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to your Facebook page. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with others.